Hi, my name is Kim Cullen and I'm a personal injury lawyer in Winter Park, Florida. Many people sit down with us for the first time to talk about a Florida car accident, and the most important thing on their mind at that point is generally, how am I going to get my medical bills paid after my Florida car accident? Well, in Florida, as of right now when I'm shooting this video in the summer of 2012, it's fairly simple. Anybody who owns a car in Florida has to carry PIP, or Personal Injury Protection, PIP, or no fault, so also called coverage. When you're involved in an accident in Florida, at least in the summer of 2012, your own PIP coverage will pay 80% of all of your medical bills up to a total of $10,000 following a car accident. A lot of people buy a little supplemental coverage called medical payments. If you have that, then your car insurance company will pay 100% of your medical bills following a car accident. So what happens if you don't have PIP coverage? Well, generally you can get it from the vehicle that you're riding in if you're involved in a car accident, or if you're a pedestrian or on a bicycle or something like that. Sometimes you can get it from the person who hit you, and you can still make a claim against them for their liability or negligence. What happens if your PIP benefits aren't enough to pay all of your bills? Well, generally we advise people to submit any excess bills to their group health carrier, their major medical insurance carrier, and generally those companies will pay those bills at whatever their managed or negotiated rate is with your healthcare provider. Some healthcare providers don't want to submit those bills because they get paid a lot less by Blue Cross and Blue Shield and United Healthcare and Aetna than they do by the automobile insurance companies. They'd rather get paid more. Well, in those instances, we like to sort of insist that our client make their providers submit to group health carrier. If they just won't do it, then either our client will have to pay out of his own pocket for his medical expenses as they go along, or the client can do what's called a letter of protection, or a promise to pay the doctor a certain amount of money at the end of the case if he makes a recovery from the person who hit him in the first place. Important thing to note about all this stuff is the Florida legislature changed the laws drastically in the summer of 2012, and these laws will go into effect January 1st of 2013. So there'll be big changes to the way that your medical bills will be paid, which medical bills will be paid. For instance, massage therapy after January 1st, 2013 will no longer be covered by PIP. There's just big changes. We'll be producing some paperwork, so probably a book, and some more videos about this as that big date approaches in January of 2013. So please stay tuned to our YouTube page, as well as our Facebook, Google+, and this website. If you have any questions in the meantime, right now, about how your medical bills are going to get paid after a car accident, please call me or my partner Robert Hemphill at 407-254-4901, or visit our website at www.cullen-hemphill.com.